Hello guys, today I am opening up a new pack of 2009 trading cards from Score. It has 60 NFL cards. This one has 4 purple parallels. I'll give you guys a chance to read the back for a second. So it's just a basic collection. There's really not gems in here in this box. I picked it up for $10 at Walmart, and I thought it was a pretty good deal. So we're gonna do the unpackaging now. Okay, let's see, I have a Marcus Mariota. Like I said, this is just a generic card. Yeah, okay. I have a Marcus Mariota. All right. Royce Freeman. C.J. Mosley. Antonio Gates. One of the best tight ends. Carlos Dunlap. Charlton Zone. Deshaun Watson, Clemson. Hopes to get a big contract. Duke Johnson. Joe Flacco. As Skip Bayless like to say, Joe Fluco. Mr. Howard. Miami Dolphins. Allen Robinson, okay. James White. And like I said earlier, this is a 2019 pack, as you can read the front of the box. Okay, Mr. Josh. Sam Darnold. Trojans. Hope he has a pretty good year this year without Brady being in the division. Jay Ajayi, a very great pickup at that time when he won the Super Bowl. Mr. Williams. Carson Wentz. Pretty solid player. I'm not going to say he's bad or great. If there's any of these cards that you guys want, just email me at the under the link. Peyton Barber. Mr. Taylor. All right, Drew Brees. Mr. Will. Mr. McKinley, defensive end. Hope he'd be close to Vic Beasley. Marquise Goodwin. All right. Mr. Laquan. Robert Woods. We got Trent Williams. This one's coming up purple card. Mr. Lee. And also in this pack, you have little special edition cards with a reflective kind of more design. Okay, this one is a Michael Thomas. Real nice. Let's see, Jonathan Abram. This is rookie card. Baker Mayfield. Okay, signal card. The jig is still up on him. Julio Jones, all hands team. Okay, nothing wrong with that. Saquon Barkley. Derek Carr. As you can see in the video, you might see that reflective in different colors while moving it. All right, Aaron Donald. Seen him on a lot of Pizza Hut commercials. Bring it up a little bit. Michael Thomas. Another card. All right, Mr. TJ. All hands team. Carson Wentz. Signal callers. Okay. Nice card. Khalil Mack. Honestly, I always feel like this was the steal of the decade. Not the card, but the player in general. Okay. All right. Todd Gurley. Travis Kelce, Super Bowl winner. Guys, let me know if you want these cards. Just email me. I'm more than happy to mail them out to you guys. Ryan Finley, okay. Another Drew Brees, week 5. All right, this is a captain's card of Kirk Cousins. Sweet. Joe Mixon, celebration. Go Bengals. All right, this is Mr. Williams from LSU. Mr. Matthew, I love this kid's journey, man. Hey, please get time, just research his name for a while, and the tremendous amount of grit for the situation he's been through. He's very deserving of being a captain. Ezekiel Elliott, sweet. I hope this upcoming season, he will be able to show some of that first year dominance on the running game. Will Greer. Mr. Ferguson, rookie card. It looks like the rest of these cards are rookie cards. Yeah, so I'm gonna just hurry up with these ones. All right, Mr. Montez Sweat, Jalen Moore, Mr. Boykin, Gary Jennings Jr., another Jonathan Abrams, Anthony Johnson, Josh Jacobs, Anthony Ratliff Williams, Mr. Farrell, Clemson, Bryce Love, okay, Terry McLaurin, Ohio State. So this is just the first batch, as you can see right there. Gonna open up the next package. I did bought one more. Just for the fun of it, so I'm going to move these cards real quick. Pretty much the same thing. 10 free digital packs. Well, I can't block that now if it's still valid or not. You guys can scan that if you want to. This one's pretty tight. Use a nail clipper for this. All right. I don't know why they put it in a big box. I mean, it's just, if you look at it, it's just, that's it. Like, come on, they can do better than that. Come on, Score. And Score, if you want to send some stuff to me, please. All love. Score, Panini, Beckett, please. Same thing. All right, let's open up this last card. Pack of cards. Also, give me some suggestions, guys. If you have any questions, please comment below. All right, we got Mr. Bryan, Tennessee. All right, Mr. Derwin James, Blake Bortles. I know he always catches flack a lot on TV. Jacksonville. It's not on there anymore. Spencer Ware, Cincinnati. All right, Mr. Yannick, Mr. Jaguars. All right, Emmanuel Sanders. Michael Crabtree. I wish they had like a Quib Talib picture in the back. Michael Bennett. I believe he just retired not too long ago. Tom Brady. Sweet. Tom Brady. Any of you New England fans, please let me know if you want this card. Let me know. Mr. Vernon. New York Giants. Josh Gordon. Wow. Prayers up to that kid, man. Odell Beckham. Before the big trade. Jamal Adams. Yeah, he recently got traded as well. Has a lot of traded packs here. People who has not on their team anymore. Zach Martin, guard for the Cowboys. All right. Mr. Jordan Reed, tight end. All right. Chase Edmonds. Stephon Diggs. He's currently on the Buffalo Bills right now. Don't know what their season's going to be like, but hopefully it'll be better than last year, especially that playoff game against the Texans. David Johnson. Sweet. Randall Cobb. Shout out to all my Packers fans. Deshaun Jackson. Ooh, I'll just leave that there. I won't speak on that much. All right. Shaquille Griffin. I hope we have his brother in here as well. Seahawks. Taysom Hill. Late bloomer, but really effective with the Saints. I love his grit. Mr. Buckner. 49ers. Okay, what do we have here? Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Oh, we actually have something, guys. We have a Joey Bosa. Looks like it's a game-worn jersey. That is nice. Anybody wants this, let me know. Mr. Austin. Mr. D.D. Westbrook. Matt Ryan. Shout out to Matt Ryan. I'm still Team Vic, though. Ezekiel Elliott. Sweet. Celebration. Caught a lot of flag jumping inside the bin of the Salvation Army. Let's see who else we have here. Throwbacks. Philip Lindsay. Nice. Case Keenum. Okay. All hands team. It's a lot of all hands teams. I have a lot of Michael Thomas, so please, Saints fans, Michael Thomas fans, wide receiver fans, or NFL fans, please let me know if you want these cards. James Conner. He just had a great book that just came out. Lamar Jackson, MVP. Roquan Smith, Bears. Jared Goff. Let you guys read that for a second. Let's see what we have here. Alejandro Villanueva. I'm glad I said that correctly. All hands team. Such a big guy. Okay, Ben Roethlisberger. Hope he's back at 100%. Let's see what we have here. Ezekiel Elliott. A lot of Ezekiel Elliott cards. Okay. Matt Ryan, Week 6. Fantasy Stars. Okay. Sweet. All right, Kyler Murray. Nice. You need Kyler Murray friends. I know a lot of people kite flack because he's short, but hey, those usually be the most strongest individuals. Mike Evans. There's still a debate out if he's still a top tier or second tier wide receiver, but it doesn't matter. I think overall he's a great running back, wide receiver. Back of the card, captains. Okay, Chicago Bears. Huddle up. Let's see what we have here. Bryce Love. Okay. Stanford. Patrick Mahomes, MVP and Super Bowl champion. Myles Garrett. Caught a lot of flack for what he did, but hopefully, like all NFL fans, they usually get over it. Still a great player. Celebration, another Ezekiel Elliott card. I think another one's down in the batch, at the bottom of the batch. All right. Irv Smith Jr., Alabama. All right, Everson Griffin. Mr. Dixon, rookie card. Yeah, this is the rookie card section. All right, yeah, let me double check. Yep. So I have a Dwayne Haskins. Now with Ron Rivera being on the team as his head coach, we might see a whole different Dwayne Haskins. Nick Broskett. Rookie card. Mr. Williams, Mr. Travion Williams. Dexter Lawrence, New York, Clemson. Dexter Williams. Jalen Smith. Preston Williams. Deontay Thompson. Noah Fant. Riley Ridley. I believe this is Calvin Ridley's brother. Okay, and Dylan Mitchell. Yeah, so these are all the cards, guys. Please, if you have any comments, what you like, what you don't like about this video, please let me know. This is my first time doing this. I plan to do more in the future. Thank you for watching this video.